Hello, friends. After a gap of 90 days, we are again going to share a video with you. And now, this time, I'm going to start with a important topic, that is the scholarships. Now, I have last 10 years working as a scholarship in charge, and especially the Turkey National Scholarship. From my college, around 30 students has been got 100% scholarship to do their higher education in Turkey universities, and they got the jobs in Turkey as well as in India. And one of the student again, after doing a mechatronics, has gone for PhD in US, again on 100% scholarship. So I have know the details about the visa process, and I especially visited Turkey university, especially in different parts of Turkey. Then similar, I visited Switzerland, Canada, US, Saudi. So I am familiar with this, and my daughter are also there in the US. So this is what we have the background about the international. But now in my college, especially the boys and girls, they have been down coming from the down-thrown family whose income is less than 1 lakh, and they are trying to get support from some funding agencies or some scholarships. So I thought this is a better way to approach, because in a lockdown we come to learn how to prepare the videos with the help of the OBS software, and I thought this is the best way to share our views, our thoughts regarding the scholarship, because most of the students or parents are not aware what are the scholarships which are available. So I try to have this attempt to reach to the maximum. And if you are eligible for this, you can apply. This is well and good. If you are not eligible for this particular scholarship, then in your families, in surrounding friends, or those your friends and well-wishers are there in your group, see anyone is eligible for this particular scholarship. Now today we are going to see this 11th standard especially. So those who are pass out from the 10th standard and they are in the going taken admission in 11th standard. So for these students, you can give them this important scholarship so that they can apply. Try to apply maximum scholarships so that some part you can click it out, and you can apply simultaneously for the post matric or whatever the scholarships which are available for the minorities, they also apply. But in addition to this, this is the scholarship which will be there for everyone. Here only the important thing is that your income criteria, and the income criteria is the main important one. So if your income is less than whatever the desired limit has been given by this company, that is a Colgate. Now today, this is the video we have been taking on Colgate Keep India Smiling Foundation Scholarship Program for 11th Standard. That is the 2020 and 2021. I'm Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head and Department of Geology. That is the Pune College Arts Commerce Science Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India. So we'll start this Keep India Smiling Foundation Scholarship has been sponsored by the Colgate. So Colgate is making the paste. So this will be the smiling is there. So they have been used this one, Keep India Smiling foundation they have been made, and from this foundation they wanted to provide the supports for those students which are deserving and meritorious, and only due to the lacking of income resource they could not achieve their goal, or they could not continue their higher education. To give this support, that is the main focus of this company, and the mentorship, career guidance, everything will be give support will be given from the Colgate. And this scholarship is offered only for education, sportsman, and individual helping the others. So these are the various scholarships are there. So but now here we are just focusing in this particular video about the 11th standard. Now, what is the eligibility for this 11th standard? But very important one here, I wanted to say that the last day for the closing this particular scholarship is 28 February 2021. Remember the date, 28 February 2021 till night up to 12 o'clock. Yes, you can fill the forms. Now, what is the eligibility for criteria for this 11th standard scholarship? You have to be passed 10th standard board examination. That is the 20, in the 2020 you have to pass out. Must be enrolled in a class 11. You have to take the admission in a recognized school in India. Yes, this scholarship is only given in India and has to be score at least 75% marks. That more than 70%, 75% marks has to be scored from any board, but that has to be recognized. Yes, and your annual income should be less than 5 lakhs. So here the annual income is given as 5 lakh. Now, what are the documents are required? That is very important. Once you see the eligibility, now next one important is the documents which are required. Passport size photograph. Yes, everything you have to be have the digital one. So you have to upload on online form. So you should have the soft copies of all these documents. Passport size photograph, valid ID proof. That is very important. Either of Aadhaar card, driving license, voter ID, or PAN card. Whichever we have this one, that is the valid ID will proof is there. If you got the college ID also, that is also a good one. Income proof, income certificate, BPL certificate, food security certificate, or any certificate of income issued by the competent government authority. That is the Tahsildar. Yes, if your parents has taken out income certificate from the Tahsildar, then that will be also will be eligible. Then the 10th mark sheet, very important one. Then where you have taken the admission in 11th standard, the fee receipt, admission letter. It is not a fee receipt is enough. I-card is there, college ID is there, bona fide certificate. Any one of this will be required. And if we are disabled, then in case of any feasible disability, what will be the percentage is there? You have to give that certificate. If you are the disabled person, yes, disability is there up to 40 or above that, then your chances will be more to get this scholarship. Now, what will be the term and condition? See, the first condition, please read the below mentioned terms. Yes, whatever the terms and condition which have been mentioned in this particular application, you have to be read very carefully. Keep Smiling Foundation Scholarship Program is being conducted by Colgate Palmolive Program and is being conducted by Colgate Palmolive India. Yes, that is there. That is from April 2020 to February 28 to 21, and it is open for Indian nationals only. Yes, those students which are born and brought up in India and they are taken the admission in India in 11th standard, they are eligible for this scholarship. The scholarship program is applicable to individual candidates from economically weaker section below poverty line. Less than 5 lakh will be the income. Document for the same which will be prescribed by this norms which are there. We have been seen. These documents are required at the time of application. Specific details of the categories, eligibility criteria, entitlement of the scholarship have been provided. Everything has been provided now on the website. You can go and check it out. While you're filling also, all the details you have to be filled. The sole responsibility of a candidate go through the categories. Whatever the categories which I have mentioned, if you by mistake click some other category and by chance you could not get the scholarship, but you rectify that this is the mistake you have done, but after that you are not applicable for that things. So do not make any mistake while filling the form. So whichever the your category is there, fill properly. All the details has to be done properly. 100% your form has to be correctly done. Due to the silly mistakes, most of the time your chance to getting the scholarship is goes out. So be careful this one. The data collected through the registration process will not be used for any commercial purpose. That is very important one, that they have been made mentioned that whatever you are giving the all the data will not be shared with the other one. So that is only for the scholarship purpose. Meeting the eligibility criteria and applying for the scholarship program does not guarantee the selection. Once you see that the eligibility criteria, you have been there, you have been applying, but you could not get the guarantee that you have been get the selection, because there will be a process. Those students income is very less and high uh, merit is there, that will be given more preferable chance. Income less, merit is more, they will get the more. And if you have any disability, the whatever the criteria is there, then that will be there. So the process in entire various steps for shortlisting and final selection will take few months. So in initially they mentioned that it will take few months to announce this particular selection of the students for this particular college scholarship, and that will be announced on the website. Colgate shall not entertain any correspondence with this non-selection of the candidates. Once you are not been selected, they will not make the correspondence with them. And upon the successful selection of the scholarship program, the candidates or individual will be approached by Colgate themselves. They, by the mail, they will approach you, and relevant supporting document will be required before or allocation of the applicable scholarship amount. Once there, whatever the supporting documents which will be given at the time of the uh, allocation, they will require, they will check, verify the whatever the your documents which are there. Thus, next condition, the scholarship program for specific category will be strictly for the duration mentioned, that is 2021. For this duration only the scholarship will be entitled. Colgate hold the right to perform internal due diligence for verifying the documents uploaded by the candidate. Yes, everything which will be there, they have been already mentioned. Colgate reserve the right in sole discretion to the fullest extent permitted by the laws to reject or disqualify any application. They hold all the authority to reject your forms, your qualify, that everything will be there in that, subject to any written directions from a regulatory authority to modify, suspend, terminate, or cancel the scholarship, or to change the program based learning as appropriate. So time to time, if any change will be there, accordingly they will do it and they will be informed. If any point of time during the period of scholarship, even later, it is found that any particular mention in the form was false. This is very important. Every company will ask you this, raise the question. If you have this found the false or misleading, or that candidate will willfully suppress any material fact, Colgate will be liberal liberty to withdraw the scholarship allotted to the such candidate. So they will withdraw, and they will be whatever the amount has been distributed, they will recollect. So that is a very important condition is also there. The scholarship program shall be evaluated at regular interval by the Colgate, and terms and condition thereof may be modified, withdrawn, cancelled at the discretion of the selection panel of Keep India Smiling Foundation and CSR Committee of Colgate. The candidate hereby acknowledges that the Colgate does not commit or intend to employ any successful candidates. Be remembered, if you get the scholarship, that means now 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, we get the scholarship. It don't be mislead that after completing this scholarship they will give you employment. No, they will not intend to give you the scholarship. So don't be employment. So don't be there. No candidate or individual has to pay any registration application fee. So here the registration and application fee is totally free for applying for the scholarship program. No purchase of Colgate product is mandatory. There is no mandatory that if you are using some close-up, that means they are not will make a mandatory that you have to use the Colgate product. So that is also not there in the terms and condition. Colgate reserve the right to use photographs, profile of the scholarship applicant, beneficiary for future publication use. Yes, anything has to be published by this Colgate. They will use your scholarship applicants beneficiary. So there will your photographs or your profile disclosure or communication purpose with the Colgate stakeholders. They will share this information with the stakeholder submissions before various authorities or interest of parties time to time. Corporate brochures, websites, social media, archives, and other material publicity, any relation to its activities without any monetary compensation payable to any applicant or without any restriction or frequency or use. These are there. Colgate would not be liable to held responsible for any lack or lapse in the communication on account of failure or delay by internet, telecom, SMS, email service provider. Say you have been filling the form in the last moment and internet has gone or you are not been miscommunicated, so they are not responsible for that. No correspondence in this regard will be entertained. So that is also been clear that internet, telecom, SMS, email service providers, what we have, if lack of communication is there, they are not responsible. Employees of the company, its affiliates, and their family members are not eligible for participate in this scholarship. So the company's employees, affiliates, and family members are not eligible for this particular scholarship. The decision of the company with this regard to the scholarship and the declaration of the winners is final and it is binding. Dispute, if any, shall be subject to exclusive jurisdiction of the courts of Mumbai. So the head office is there, Mumbai. So it will be in the jurisdiction courts of the Mumbai. The candidates are required to upload the following documents. What they have to apply: the passport size photograph, valid ID, proof that is either Aadhaar card, driving license, voter ID, PAN card, income proof that is coming, income certificate, BPL certificate, food security certificate, any one of this, not all, any one of this, and 10th mark sheet and latest mark sheet and education certificate. Fee receipt, admission letter, college ID card, bona fide certificate in case the admission for professional courses is already taken. Whichever the thing is there or is given, so any one will be required. Entrance examination result. If you have been applied for admission got through entrance examination, then that also will require. But in case it is disability certificate, in case your physical disability is there, scan copies of the highest performance achieved, whatever your performance is there, all these are the achievements you have to be scanned. Name and registration number of NGO, Rotary Association, not for profit. Name and registration of NGO from through you have been applying, it is not required. You have to apply on this particular website, that is the https colgatecares.co in keep India smiling or get started HTML. So this is where you have to apply. So this is what we have, the first scholarship we are going to see today, and hope uh, maybe shortly you're going to get the another videos. But one thing I'm going to request you, share this one, particularly the information, name of the scholarship to those deserving candidates, students. If you are not eligible for this one, you are not there in the 11th, or you are there in BSc, BCom, MSc, but you know anyone who is there in 11th standard, but he is required or he is going to match this particular scholarship requirement, please tell him to apply for this scholarship. And the last date for this scholarship is 28 February 2021. Without fail, inform this information to the deserving candidates. Thank you.